Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. This channel is all about international license exam guidance and material. So if you still haven't subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon, as this channel could be the biggest support towards your successful career. As I informed in my previous video that I am conducting online coaching class for Prometric exam preparation. Many of you have inquiries about class details. So in this video, I'll describe details about coaching classes. This course is of 25 days and it's paid. Charges are very less and reasonable. Those who will register for online coaching will get free exam material and my pocketbook. This will not be a live session. I will assign 10 important topics daily. Next day, there will be an online quiz. You will have to fill it and submit. Your record will be received automatically. We will work on deficiencies. You would be able to find correct answers and list of your wrong answers so that you could know your deficiencies. I will also provide past exam MCQ'S. So if you're interested to join, comment below and mail me for registration. My email ID is given on screen and also given in description box. Kindly mail me for registration. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.